Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In this video, we are getting started off with some get it all done cleaning motivation, because if you are like me, you need all the motivation you can get when it comes to cleaning your house and getting all of your daily chores done. I don't know about where you guys live, but the weather here has been absolutely amazing. Like, I hate just being inside all day when we've been cooped up all winter. The weather is so nice, so I'm just trying to stay on task and get everything done as quickly as possible so that I can get outside and enjoy that amazing weather. Today I am getting started off in the kitchen, just finishing up some of the dishes that I had in the sink and left over from breakfast, and filling up my dishwasher so that it can be running for the day and I don't have any dirty dishes to worry about. I am going to clean my sink out because of all of the dishes that I had in there. There's a few little scuff marks, so I'm just going to use my barkeeper's friend to buff all of that out. And then, since it's right after breakfast, I still haven't filled up my Stanley yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and wash it out and get ready to go fill it up with my Nugget ice. So I cleaned this cabinet out, excuse the dryer, which it's running, and I put my little wine stackers in here because I currently don't have any wine in the fridge, but I do like to use them, so when I'm not using them, I put them under here. Then I put all of my vases under here that I use. I'm currently using one that matches this one. I never had a place to store all of them, so I finally put them all in here because they were just making a mess everywhere. And then I have this one that has flowers in it, so when I don't have fresh flowers in like the spring and summer, I like to put just something like this out to kind of just, I don't know, I just like flowers around. So if I can't have the real deal, I'm gonna put something cute out like that. And then I've got my reusable grocery sacks and cooler right here, and then I have some more sacks in the back in a Lululemon bag just in case. I just saved some, you know, you gotta save your shopping bags. It's all Target bags, so all from Target pickups. As you can see, I got the water for my ice maker there, and there's actually a couple of older lunch boxes the kids aren't using, so just in case like one of them leaves their lunch box at school. But I have organized this to the best that I can right now for the things that I really needed organized, so I'm happy I got that done. Now I'm using my ice maker to fill up my Stanley, and I did show myself unboxing this in my previous video, but these are on sale right now, and after using this for several weeks, I would highly recommend getting one. It has been a game changer. They are on sale for the month of April, and there's a great discount code located down below in the description box. So now that I've got my cup washed, I'm coming back to the dishes here. These are the ones that I washed last night and they set out to dry. These are my frozen margarita glasses. I absolutely love them, and I will link those in the description box if you guys want to check those out. They are from Amazon and they are a favorite of mine. So like I said, I'm just going to clear the dishwasher out so that I can put some of the dishes that are already waiting in the sink in there and just get everything out of the way for the day. I just cannot stand when I have so much stuff cluttered up in my kitchen, so I'm working on getting all of that mess cleaned up. So since I get out of bed first, I'm not typically able to just make the bed right away as soon as I get up. So I've already usually gotten up, worked out, made breakfast, taken the kids to school, and all of that before I even come back to getting the bed made. But I do always like to make the bed because all of the pillows and everything are on the floor and it's just such a chaotic scene. So it's always best if that is picked up. But on this particular day, I am changing out the sheets and going to wash them. I do this every week, and that is what I am doing here. For my house, my main living areas, like the living rooms, don't really get that messy because no one's really doing much in those spaces besides sitting. I mean, there might be like pillows and blankets kind of messed up, but other than that, there's not a lot to clean or tackle. So what happens is my bedroom, for sure, all the blankets in the floor, that drives me nuts, laundry and everything. So I do spend a lot of time in my bedroom and in the kitchen making sure everything is kept. I'm sure you're already aware of how wrinkly my sheets are. Oh my goodness, the last time that I did them, I washed them because I wash them so regularly. They were in the basket and I never took them out to fold them, and this is the aftermath. I hate when my sheets are wrinkly, but most of it will all come out once they lay on the bed for a bit. But yeah, this was driving me crazy, but there's really nothing that I could do about it now. I'm not about to iron the sheets. I just don't have time for that. But yeah, that was kind of bugging me. So I thought in case you noticed, I would explain it. Now I'm going to move on to the next thing that I felt was important to get done, which is vacuuming my floors. I do have 2 dogs, so there tends to be a lot of dog hair around, so I'm constantly needing to vacuum and freshen up the space. I just feel like it is so much fresher in the room after you vacuum. Especially when you see how much pet hair and dust gets trapped in there. It is so disgusting. I'm going to just finish vacuuming the area and dusting, and then I am just going to light a candle so that everything starts smelling really good while I'm cleaning. I got another one of my favorite candles to replace the one that I had, and it's in a beautiful packaging that literally matches this area so well. The other packaging was red, and you know, that just isn't my vibe here, so I'm so grateful that this one was so cute. It is Bubbly Rosé. It is one of my favorite Bath & Body Works candle scents, and I did just sit it on this adorable little bunny stand, and I just thought it was so cute for spring and Easter. Also, since my dogs are the primary users of the couch, I go ahead and vacuum it regularly. Look at all of that fur. Ew, oh my gosh, that is insane. This is why I have to vacuum literally every day. And I usually don't vacuum the couch with that attachment, but like my son was in there telling me the funniest story and he had me laughing, and I just forgot what I was doing there for a second. So I usually take it off and use my attachment that I use for the furniture. But yeah, that was kind of weird. I try to take all of the blankets and pillow covers off every week or so and wash those so they stay smelling fresh. But in between, I just do some shakes, some vacuuming, and a little bit of fabric Febreze to keep it fresh. And these 2 dogs, they keep me busy all day. We have Buddy, our Boston Terrier, and Little Bear, our Pomeranian, and they are 5 years old. Buddy's favorite place is that long white furry pillow up there, and he just always lays on that. Now he's just digging through his little basket of toys. He has toys strewn all over the living room, and they always love to hide them and play with them underneath the dining table. So any given time you are walking through my house, there's probably about 10 dog toys under the dining table. Earlier when I was washing the laundry, I had a big pile of it that needed hung up, and it ended up there at the dining table, so I'm going to hang all of that up. But first I'm going to give my little plant here some water. I mean, this thing is getting wild. Look how long it's getting. I know you can trim it, but I'm just loving seeing how long it can grow. But I've been meaning to address the green romper situation. I got that from like some kind of subscription thing that I was in, and they just send you like surprises and stuff. And that was a little romper that had my monogram initialed on it, and I had never worn it before, and I was just thinking how much I wanted something like that, and I got that out of my closet, and I was like, oh my gosh, it is the softest thing ever. So I put it on, and it was so cozy and soft. It has pockets. Everyone was laughing at me, the kids, and probably even my husband, because I looked like I was in a nurse scrubs or something. I feel like ER scrubs are that color, but I don't know. It was just a whole weird situation. I ended up having to change out of them because it had a little button on the back, and my hair kept getting caught in it, and it was like pulling a lot of my hair out. So I thought, oh my gosh, this cannot be good for my hair. So I took it off, and that wasn't bothering my hair anymore. But yeah, that is why I ended up changing my clothes as it got later on in the day. I just made it down to the family room to just straighten it up down here. Like I said, it doesn't really get too messy. The blankets just get disheveled. The couch might need fluffed up, and the fabrics washed and everything, but I'm just kind of straightening up in here, and I'm gonna do a quick vacuum and a quick dusting. For me, I feel like there's just not enough hours in the day. I wake up every day and I have like my list of things that I need to get accomplished, and I work all day doing those things, and I can hardly ever get done. I don't know if it's just me or anybody else, but I feel like I'm always going, and then I'm like, wait, what have I accomplished? Because at the end of the day, it just doesn't feel like I've accomplished much, and I feel like I've just been going. So, I mean, I don't know if that's just me, but that's been something I've been struggling with. Even in the evening, if I'm ready to just like sit down and relax, then I'll have my phone and I'm like, okay, I've got to order this for this situation. I've got to do this. So in my mind, it's like I'm still working. I'm just hardly ever just vegging out. So the sun was just about to set when I was cleaning down in the family room. I mean, there was so much that happened in between this day that wasn't even included, but I just tried to cover the basics. I did get a package in the mail today. These cute little shot glasses. They're crystal shot glasses from Amazon. I thought they were super cute, and they were really affordable, so I will link those below if you want to check them out. Now, by this time, I'm just getting ready to start making dinner. I didn't actually film myself make dinner on this night, but I did have a few more things that I had to get done before anything else. I got another grocery pickup from Sam's and Target, so I think my Sam's time was scheduled for like 7 p.m., which was like the latest time, so my husband went and picked that up along with my Target order. Just a few random necessities, things that the kids had requested, things that we were out of. It is the beginning of the week, so I just had to restock a few things before Monday. We tried a new bread, and honestly, the kids are the only ones who eat it, and they just begged me to get their old bread back, so I didn't even get to try the new bread because it's just not something I eat unless maybe I had a piece of toast. But I'm finally starting to wind down for the evening. I did change into a more comfortable pair of pants, and I'm going to be folding some laundry, and that is going to be it for today's video. I hope it gave you some motivation to get it all done, even though sometimes it doesn't feel like we are getting it all done. You're not alone. You got this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on another video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!